Hey guys, it's your girl Callie, and you already know it's always a vibe on this side.
I'm dealing with you. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seems like I get so much, I don't get nothing back.
So today we're going to be installing a gold sand highlight wig.
Always get caught up in love, but now you done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the whole.
Okay, so now I'm combing the wig into the 3 layers of the glue.
I am on my own now. I am in control now. I need you to go now. I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit. Back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you. Don't know how to deal with me.
So now I'm cutting off the ear tabs so that the lace can measure properly from ear to ear.
I play like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42 quarters, 2 imported blue dream inside the roll up. Hold up, watch me go up, leave me so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, think me. One bitch on my level, ain't no question. I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever.
Okay, and now I'm just hot combing the wig into the glue. Try not to do this too much because you don't want to heat the glue back up again once it's already dried.
Like you know more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish like I'm 17. I just bought a new whip, blow me gasoline. I just seen your new bitch, boosted my self-esteem.
Okay, so now I'm going to put my wig band on and we're just going to vibe to some music for 30 minutes. And I'll be right back with y'all.
I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Just dealing with you, so
Okay, and now I'm straightening up the back of the lace and the middle part, and then we're going to go on with some foundation after to clean it up.
I'm dealing with you. Back up on my bullshit. Back up
Now I'm just combing out the hair from the roots to the end so I can get out all the hairs that were plucked.
I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so it seems like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought
Okay, and now I'm going to cut off the excess lace.
always get caught up in love, but now you done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the hole. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, bitch. Back on my bully, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby. One thing that you should know, little baby,
And now I'm just going to clean up the extra glue that's over the lace. with some alcohol pads, and then we're going to go ahead and use some foundation to match the lace with my skin color. And here I'm just laying the wig flat with the wax stick so I can go in with the hot comb and then add a little bit of curls. Don't mind that weird face. I just hate getting burned with the hot comb because it's like the scars, they take a while to go away. So yeah, don't mind that weird face. Is it just me, or is it so easy to overuse the hot comb just because it's so satisfying how flat it gets? Like, it's been flat, but I'm just overusing it at this point. But yeah, don't overuse it because you don't want to dry out your hair. But this hair is pretty good, so it didn't get dried out no matter how many times I used it. So yeah, once I'm done with this, we're going to go ahead and get into the curls. Okay, so now I'm just sectioning my edges, and then I'm going to hot comb each edge, and then we're going to swoop it with some mousse. Okay, so now I'm just combing out the curls I did, and then we're gonna see the end result.
Yeah, flexing on my exes and my model legs, pretty little skinny little.
Okay, so I definitely ate this install up. It's looking lame. We looking looking cute, and I'm gonna leave the link to purchase this wig in the description. And don't forget to tune in for my next video. And you already know it's always a vibe on this side.
Nothing to lose. I am on my own now. I am in control now. I need you to go now. I can fix my own crown. Back up on my